Hello, warm welcome to you back to my channel Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we will try to understand the concept of productivity guilt. What is productivity guilt and how does it really impact or how does it really affect each one of us? Productivity guilt is, we can say it's a feeling or it's a mindset or it's a way of thinking or that thought process which goes inside our mind that we are not up to the mark or we are not performing, we are not achieving, we are not working, we are not completing the task. Okay, we have to do more. Why are we taking a break, or why are we not doing something today, or why are we even not feeling like doing something today? That constant feeling, that constant haunting feeling that runs in our mind that you are not doing, you are not making it up to the mark, you are not achieving it, this is not enough. Why are you taking a break? Why are you wasting the time? All these kinds of thoughts that run in our mind and that haunt us literally, that make us, that really pull us down and that makes us feel guilty for not achieving something or for not being up to the mark. And question mark is whether you are not really up to the mark or it is your feeling that you are not up to the mark. That is where you have to be objective and try to be more deliberating on that issue. Do not let that productivity guilt override you. Okay, because if you are falling for this trap of feeling guilty all the time, and when you are thinking work even during your off times or off working hours, after working hours or after the completion of the task or after your office hours or something like that, if you are constantly thinking about that work only, then it seriously disturbs your work-life balance, which is very, very crucial these days, because of the high rate of invasion of technology into our lives. There really aren't any lines or clear-cut differentiation between work and personal life. We are constantly being receiving messages, notifications, emails, meetings, online things, everything that is constant bombardment, and that line between the work and personal life, that is seriously blurred. And that, I think, is the reason behind this increased productivity guilt. Okay, see, here we are talking about genuine feeling. If you are somebody who really literally wastes time doing nothing, and if you are feeling guilty about it, then it's very good for you. You are about to make a good beginning. Okay, but what the kind of feelings we are discussing here is, despite of achieving something, despite of doing your job, if you are not able to put a break to it or put a set it there and draw that line between your personal life and your work life, that is productivity guilt, which you have to overcome it, because it really seriously hampers your personal life. Okay, so it even decreases your productivity. So finally what happens, this productivity guilt, finally it decreases or it lowers your productivity level, because you are never satisfied with what you have already achieved or what you are already doing. So that constant quest of doing more and more and more unrealistically. Okay, try to understand that unrealistic quest or that unrealistic guilt of doing more, achieving more, that in total decreases your productivity. Okay, so try to understand or try to draw that line between your work and your life and try to achieve that much needed work life balance. Okay, do not fall prey to this productivity guilt. Okay, thank you.